recording.
Oh yeah. Hello. First time firing up. Anyway, while the water's going in, I need to keep an eye on the back because I need the water to go up to that line. Ooh, ooh.
It does not look appealing at all.
No. Yeah, so it's a transparent flame, so I can't show you very well, but that is on fire. I can feel the heat off it.
Yeah, that's why I'm not going near it.
And that goes in there. I'll try that. Just put it down. It's getting there, it's not whistling yet. You saw the steam though. Maximus is smiling. So this is the first run. See if it works. Well, it's not going to run anyway. I just want to see the engine go.
You said I could do it.
You did try it. Oh, you tried again then. Give it a second longer.
Don't record me.
Okay. So the fact that you're hearing a bit of a whistle means you should, if I've got it set up right, you should be able to do this, and it should. Hopefully.
It's not looking good.
So the place we can put all these showing the plates here. So I can see steam's coming out there because it's actually bubbling on the...
Let's throw it off the table.
Oh, that was cool. That's the first whistle. Oh, I want to go then. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm. You can hear something in it not running as smooth as it should.
Yeah. It's really hot. It's so much heat here.
Wait.
It's unbelievable hot.
Slap my face, jeez.
This was a toy for children. Oh, it works! There's a lot of steam coming out of the piston though. Bang!
Yeah, that's what I'm scared of. And you killed it.
Nice one. Nice. Oh, losing pressure a bit. It works!
Killed it again.
That's fine, let's see you stop it. You check your boilers, it's not too low, still good there. There's still the water, lots of fire.
Fully smooth.
So when you do that, it actually slows it down a little bit. Very happy. Let's doing tractor works.
Don't put it down all the way. If you don't put it down all the way, it works though.
It's going in. That's what we want.
It's it.
Going full power to that.
Very hot.
Fiery. Is that all the steam out? That's all its pressure then? Oh, you killed it! Let's try it again. Do you know what else it does? If we go to here,
one's backwards.
Should go reverse. Oh, you know you want to.
No, the water's too. I want that.
Very, very happily. Is the water level there, mate?
The water level's gone.
We've got to take fire out then. Don't let it burn dry. Oh, the fire's gone out, that's why. There we go. No, there's still water in there. We're good.
Okay, it didn't look like it when it was gone.
We didn't boil it dry. We did what we're supposed to do. But it works.